Let's make a Hiragana flashcard set with me. Let's start. First, take some printouts of Hiragana alphabet into 4 papers, but make sure it's one side, not double side. Next, take some hardboard of your choice. Color is depend on your preference. Here I'm using many colors. We are gonna need a glue stick. Apply some glue on each of your hardboards, like this, and glue the Hiragana letter sheets like so. Make sure you completely glue the sheet onto the hardboard. Otherwise, the paper may come off and fall. Moving on to the next one. Let's fast forward this. Hard part was finished. Hooray! Now it's time to cut. Cut all the square lines and separate your letters. Mine was already photoshopped and I made all the letters inside squares. So it's easy to separate each letter. And the backside of each letter cards should be like this so you can write down some notes as you wish. All the letters are in order and kept on top of each letters. Tap it on the table like this and make it even. Now you're all set to move on to the final part, shall we? You're going to need a puncher for this, and I'm using this single hole puncher. Now take one card and make 2 holes in the corner like so. Do the same to the other cards as well. I'm going to speed this up. Okay, I'm done the hard part. And it's time to make it look like a booklet. Let's see how it will turn out. Grab 2 of these plastic strip cables, or you can call it zip ties. Now put the strip through the holes we made before. It's ready. Finally. Now you got yourself a Japanese Hiragana letter flashcard set. You can customize it as you wish. I also made family member flashcard set too. Making flashcards are fun. You DIY your own. See you with another fun idea like this.